Hi there, my name is Shanna Gillis and I'm here to tell you about my experience with Carolina exteriors. So I live in a house that is approximately 30 plus years old, and the existing siding, the masonry, was starting to chip and it just looked horrible. So since it looked horrible and I didn't enjoy looking at it each day, I began to explore the options I had for replacing my exterior siding. I do base a lot of my work on reviews and knowing that other people have had a positive experience, knowing people that have had a professional experiences was really important to me. So I looked through a lot of reviews online, but I relied heavily on real feedback from neighbors through Nextdoor who've actually used Carolina exteriors. So I was really excited to find someone that had the track record of having positive work, positive reviews, and happy customers. So when I thought about remodeling with Carolina exteriors, of course I went through the getting an estimate process. And this is my second home that I've resided in Cary. So the first time I was a little bit younger and we took shortcuts to get that work done, and it was not quality work. So again, the quality of the job was extremely important to me. So again, Carolina Exteriors was a company that I'd seen had performed quality work. They also provided me a list of individuals that I could speak with and follow up with, and also go around and look at properties that they had also remodeled. So that meant a lot to me, seeing the work, hearing the customers, knowing that there was a lot of feedback available and information for me to make an informed decision. When we think about getting work done, not only is it about the quality, but the value. I wanted to have a quality job that was at a reasonable price and something that I didn't have to think about again. So I did make the investment in the Hardie plank siding for my home. I love it, it's beautiful, and I'm not gonna have to think about it for years. So that was a really big, important thing for me. When it comes to the actual job, Lewis, my project manager, did a fantastic job of keeping me informed along the way. I did use the online Build Trend app and website portal to keep track of the job, which I was super excited about because it made it easy. So I knew if the team wasn't coming one day, if it was too wet and it was raining, or I knew that they were going to work on which side of the house that day, so I can plan accordingly and be aware. But just a fantastic job from the team, and I was really impressed that the team that was assigned to work on my home, you can tell they have worked together for years. They did a fantastic job of working together, working efficiently together, and it's just a beautiful product in the end. So overall, I rate Carolina Exteriors exceptional. Again, just fantastic experience all the way around. Thank you all, and I appreciate the work that you've done. And hopefully this information will help you make an informed decision. It's not always an easy decision when you're thinking about how to invest your money, but you want it to be something that you're proud of, that you enjoy, and this has just been my experience.